What's going on, y'all? It's the boy Kev, and today I want to give y'all a little insider of what's been happening throughout this week, in the markets. So I decided to really take the couple days and just not trade, rather than analyze of what's going on, right? So I can make this video about what's going on here, right? So as y'all know, I trade gold. You know what I'm saying? And with a lot of things been happening around the world and stuff, stuff ain't matching up with the TA and et cetera, right? But I wanted to really take the time and give y'all a little insider of uh, how this works, right? What's been working for me, what I look for, and stuff like that, right? And with that being said, as y'all can see, my charts all scattered and whatever. It's cool though. It's good, right? So I want to jump into this and say that this has, been insane, right? Right off the bat. Um, I did take a larger part and broke it down to little bits and little bits, so it'll be better understanding for you to actually analyze what's going on, because I've been studying, I've been looking, I've been, you know what I'm saying, all the above, right? So to begin with here, right, is of course y'all know I had to go back maybe last month, right? And I analyzed, because as y'all know in the markets, things repeat itself, right? So this is where it brings us, right? So I decided to play off this time frame right here, right? And what I did was I analyzed what we did the first time when it hit here, and now how close we got into the high, right? So why does this matter, right? Like I said, everything in the market repeats itself, right? It has to fill in gaps, has to repeat, you know what I'm saying, in order to make new adjustments, new moves, right? That's exactly what happened here. So, with this coming up to almost the same high steps here, right? So I put this out as a floor, right? Or a ceiling, better, a ceiling, right? And so what this does is it gives it so much structure to or support of why this call will be more important than this call. You know what I'm saying? So if you call for a buy, whatever, and it starts shorting, and you're like, what the fuck's going on? This is why, right? So as y'all can see, I put the ceiling on, put the floor on, whatever, put the whole tunnel on, right? It broke underneath, and it had so much damn support, it just was not going below, right? Finally broke the resistance, came back up, hit here, found some more resistance. Why? Because we already had it here. The markets like to repeat. It rejected here, and I almost got it damn close. Like that little notch on the dot, right? Anyways, with that being said, so it had consolidation here. So this is why I really put it. I'm gonna give y'all my little secret. That's why, because it already had consolidation. Anyways, so with that being said, rejected, came back down, and this is when I started taking the bigger picture and start implementing like little bits and pieces, right? This is it, right? Right here. I knew it was coming down, right? But it was such a short like staircase, I guess you could say. Came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, and it fumbled, right? As y'all can see right here, let me get a little closer. Y'all can see right here, it started having this upward moment, right? Oh shit. Okay, my bad. Um, where it came down, it bounced back up, right? Because it has support along right here around this price range of $4,020, right? It bounced up, but I analyzed it a little more, and I realized these three candles aren't as sharp as these were, right? And that gave me a perfect indicator of a downtrend, right? So this happened for the whole day, I believe, which is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? It's a perfect swing trade scenario, right? Get your channel, get locked in, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, or you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you know what I'm saying? However you want to play, right? Then I came in a little closer, more towards the dollars, right? Right here, it fumbled, it fumbled, it fumbled, it came going boom, 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 boom. And as soon as we got the rhythm and it broke, we shorted. Boom, right? Came down, you know, cool $30, right? As I said, consolidation. They hit here, rejected, came back down. I knew it was gonna come off that support, right? That demand zone, right? So what did that do? It bounced, 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 and it finally took off. As soon as I seen this long green candlestick, don't quote me on this, I knew it was time to buy. Buy, 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 and sold up here. And I bought roughly, I think around here. It was too quick of an entry. I got to get better on my entries. But as you can see, it had so much momentum. It did not break loose. Boom, hit the top. And this is when I knew to put it a stop loss here. I made a take profit here because of consolidation. It had a tunnel right here. Y'all see it? You know what I'm saying? Came down, bounced off, knew it was going to return, come back. Boom, 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 boom. And then finally, it broke up and hit a doesn't have no support up here, broke down, and it's coming back to consolidation, right? Let me go ahead and get this right here, coming back to consolidation, back in this area right here, as y'all can see right here. So when you want to be trading, I've been looking at more zones rather than price, you know what I'm saying? So what I mean by that is if it's gonna hit the 4,030 or 4,000, 100, 4,180, okay, I could look at that zone that it's in, by $10 or so, and look to entry in there. There's not financial advice, but it's a good starting point. As of now, it has consolidated coming up. It has some more demand, so the support is gonna be just as strong to either get it pushed here or consolidate for another breakout upwards, right? So, with that all being said, yeah, stay on your toes with this, keep analyzing, and just, you know what I'm saying? Everything repeats itself. It's as simple as that. You just got to understand which playbook it is. Is it going to be doing this? Going to be doing that? Is there support here? Is there demand here? You know what I'm saying? That's all there is with this, bro. But, anyways, that being said, I'm going to keep on analyzing, give y'all, my bits and pieces of this, and, try to get the best info I can out. So, again, if y'all not on my Discord, you're missing out. Gonna turn back up on it. Follow me on all platforms, the boy Kev. Y'all see it, wherever I put it, right here, down here, I don't know. Come drop a follow. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, share this, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about what's goes, doing, how y'all be traded. I want to know how y'all be traded. You know what I'm saying? But, anyways, that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video when we got more, visuals on this. And we'll take off from there. Peace.